Well, it's time to make a quick scrap run. What we got going here is a washer, a stove, an old grill, a Franklin stove. No, it's not one of the good ones. It's one of the cheap, thin ones. Water heater, old gas tank. Over here we got 4 wheels, rest of the water heater. Non-ferrous stuff is not going this time. We got exhaust, we got random plates, we got more exhaust, got a fender here. Miscellaneous parts of benches and whatnot. Part of an air conditioner. What else we got? There's an axle in there, CV axle. Got a bunch of this coax cable that's just going to shred. The other pile, we got a bunch of cutoffs from Dad's cab. The gas tank out of the 52, I think, maybe? No, that's the S10. The 52 is underneath. The old hitch off the S10, the old rear bumper off the S10. A bunch of sheet metal cut off. There's some hubs in there. Some other miscellaneous stuff. Got a crap load of rotors, exhaust manifolds, other random bits and bobs that we're not going to use. I think that was part of the stove or something. I think most of this is going off cuts from the Tahoe, more cuts from the cab of Dad's C10 truck. Batteries and non-ferrous stuff goes to a different scrapyard, so that's not going to be this run. We're just doing steel and other things that have other metals in them, but we're not dealing with it. It's just going to go to shred. Patch pail in the shop. These are all of the patches that I've made this year, plus a fuel filler neck. Pretty much anything in this bucket is what I cut off to make a patch to get rid of rust. So, need to empty that too. That coming around the floor of the Tahoe. And some other Tahoe parts that we're not keeping, we have no use for. We're gonna have to probably take the lightning scissors and cut it in half to fit it in the trailer there. So according to the guy that Dad bought the donor Tahoe from, he said he would have driven this thing anywhere. I don't know about that, bud. But cut it right in half, toss it on top of the trailer. Huh. It's just standing there. So, a trailer full of scrap. What'll it get us? Well, if we look at here, down the bottom right hand corner, you see we had 1,540 pounds of tin or light iron. Just pretty much all they categorize it as over there is just iron shred. And that gave us $51.56 for 1,500 pounds of scrap. This whole trailer filled up. But in all honesty, I can't really complain because it was just garbage anyway. It was just sitting around the yard, parts we cut off, and it was just sitting there. So, clean up the yard, got 51 bucks. That'll go toward filling up the bottle in the welder, because that's, I think, 72. so 2/3 of the way there pretty much. So that's what we're gonna do with it. Get a bottle of gas and keep working away. Thanks for watching.